Hi guys, welcome to my channel Home Cooking by On. Today I'm going to show you another traditional Chinese New Year food, that is a dumpling. If you eat dumpling during Chinese New Year, it will bring you prosperity and wealth. So many people believe that, and I believe that too. So let's get started. You need some chicken mince, 500 grams, some Shiitake mushroom, about 4, 225 grams of bamboo shoot, finely chopped, about 2 tablespoons of spring onion, finely chopped, and 2 packages of dumpling skins. Now let's get the cooking begin. To make a dumpling, I divided into 3 parts. First part is to make a filling. Second part is to wrap them. And the third part is to cook them. So let's get started. All the ingredients in the big bowl. So chicken in, bamboo, and the mushroom in. Now we can add some more sauce. So 2 tablespoons of sugar, a few teaspoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and some pepper, white pepper, and some chicken seasoning powder. Lastly, 1/4 of water, and then you can mix them together and add the spring onion. Now let's begin the wrapping. So the dumpling skin down and apply the water around the edges. Then about half of tablespoon of the filling in the middle. Then you put 2 edges together and you make little pleat, 3 pleats of each side on the right, and then 3 another pleats on the left, like so. Then you can squeeze at the top edge to seal the edge. There you have it. So keep your dumpling under the towel so they won't get dry while you do another wrapping. So I'm gonna show you another time, okay? So the dumpling skin down and apply all the water around the edges. Half a tablespoon of the filling. And then put 2 edges together. Then you make a little pleat. So 3 on the right and 3 on the left. So you have to keep practicing to master this. It's quite challenging. Now my wrapping dumpling is done. So now we get ready for the cooking part. So little oil in, using medium heat, and then you place all the dumplings around the saucepan. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes for the dumpling to be cooked and golden and crunchy on one side. Now you can turn it over to cook on the other side. When both sides are nice and crunchy and brown, so you can add about half of the thickness of the dumpling. Cover with the lid, and then you can add about 4 or 5 drops of sesame oil, and then cook some more with the lid on until the water has dried up. There you have it, fried dumplings for Chinese New Year. You can also steam your dumplings. You put them in the bamboo steamer. It should take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook them. And you serve with the sriracha or kikkoman sauce. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next recipe on the next video. And enjoy cooking. See ya!